Here we are at home, poor hummingbird, stuck, and I'm afraid of touching it because it's gonna faint. Come on, man, get out of here. Everyone says Islam is bad, Islam kills. Watch, this is Islam saving a hummingbird. Live, Islam saving a hummingbird confused. Poor thing, the heart is beating so fast. Oh, beautiful. Go, go, go. Oh, man. It even left a souvenir. It shit and peed in my hand. This reminds me of my good friend Iraj's son, Kian, who shit in the bathtub for me, and we bonded when he was 1 year old. Anyhow, this is the fun of living in the woods. No, not in the wood, on top of the mountain.